Hey, let's flip this dated birdhouse. We're going to use Blue Hills from JRV Vintage and DIY. This is a cottage color, all in one paint. No need to sand, strip, or prime here. Just give it a really good stir, clean your piece well, and you are ready to paint. The top coat is built in, so that means you can get your decor flipped fast and feel very proud of yourself. It's always a good idea to flip the piece upside down. I should have done that first, but then you can get in all the nooks and crannies. I am loving the coverage over this old design. It has some crackle in it, so I'm forcing the paint kind of down into that crackle to help minimize it. But this is a mineral paint from JRV and DIY, so it is self-leveling and it goes on so super smooth. By the time I was done touching up all the areas, I'm ready to go in with my second coat, and then we're going to put on some adorable transfers. Always make sure your paint has dried for several hours at least before you do transfers. Welcome to my transfer scrap pile. I always use my transfer tool to put these on. It works so good for me. I use the little corners, all the edges. Push all those little corners down. That's called burnishing your transfer to make sure you have no air bubbles in. I like to find a corner and pull up towards me while I push down with the transfer tool. Now let's add some birds and some branches. Take your time when you're putting these on. Creativity shouldn't be rushed. You can also wrap them around corners. See how this one went over the hole? I am just kind of pushing that in with my thumb, and it looks super cute and good to go. Here I'm adding a little fern from the Greenery House mini transfer. Now it's time to seal up the transfers and put on the finishing touches. Remember, I'm not sealing up the paint here, I'm only sealing up the transfers, and then we're going to add some dark wax to age this little piece, and it will be ready to go. DIY wax is all natural, has no smells. You could practically use it for a moisturizer if you want. Now I'm grabbing the dark wax, which is brown, and we're just going to age it a bit, and it just is like a very good finishing touch for me. You can put your wax on with a brush or a cloth and then just buff it in really good when you're done so that it's not tacky, and then it'll cure overnight and continue to cure hard. Look at your piece and be proud. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up or a heart if you liked anything you learned here today, and visit Rustic Rehabs for the products. I hope to see you soon.